What's up YouTube? In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to perfectly cut masking tape on those engine parts that you're getting ready to paint. So in this quick tip, what I'm going to show you is a little trick I learned. So first what you need to do is mask off the area that you've got, and then you're going to take a hammer or some kind of small blunt object. I like to use this knife because it has this little edge here that you can use. So you want to start by grabbing a couple of strips of tape after you've cleaned off the surface with some mineral spirits or isopropyl alcohol. So you tape it off. It does not have to be perfect at all. You can even get, too long of strips. You don't want to get too short of strips because you want to completely cover up the surface that you're getting ready to cut. You want to press it on there, and you want to press out the edges. All the edges that you're wanting cut, you want to press those out so the tape is firmly on those and all the flat surfaces so it sticks to the surface. So you want to kind of line your edges out like this. That way you've got little edges like this. It's kind of lined out for what you need to cut out. And then what you're going to want to do is, like I said, take this edge here or the hammer. Like I said, I like to use this because it's smaller. You can get into tighter areas and stuff with this. And you're just going to tap. You're going to tap all along that edge. And what you'll see, you want to tap it pretty hard. Like I'm going about maybe a ½ inch off of the surface. And what you'll see is you'll start to break that tape off, and it will just pull off that surface just perfectly like that. So then you don't have to deal with any rough edges or anything like that. Kind of like how this one turned out here. So that's the quick tip of the day. If you liked it, please like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with my most recent content. Also, if you have any tips or tricks that you'd like to show me, please go ahead and put those in the comments. And thanks for tuning in this week to the Coyote Car Channel's Tip of the Day.